guys, more unboxing. Today we got Spider-Man right here. So we're unboxing. We're in Gateway Center. Well, he has a lot of pieces. These pieces are gonna fall off, and I'm gonna put them together in a second. Alright, so as you can see, the legs don't bend. There's no joints here, but what in the world is... Alright, we're outside, so legs move. This, I think these are ball joint arms, I can't tell. Head rotation. Good. This rotation. Good. Yeah. And also we have something else. I usually do a surprise every video. We have Waluigi, so we're about to unbox that. Get it? Alright. Look, so head rotation, ball joint arms, ball joint legs, bending knees, up, bending elbows, and bending wrist. So also comes with a coin. So this is a pretty good figure. And it's great quality. So I'm simply just comparing it right now. As you can see, their heights are very different. Anyways, yes, this was speed unboxing, the coin, and yeah, these are pretty quality figures. You can pick this up at Five Below. I picked this up at GameStop. So yeah, love you all. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.